Hi, hi, hi. Hi, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Pawan. Good morning, Satya. Shushmita, good morning. Vashu, good morning. Ravi, good morning. Good morning, Bhavna. Good morning, Shirisha. Good morning, Bahaje. Good morning, Sandeep. Good morning, Poonajali. Good morning, Kaushal. Good morning, Harshvardhan. Good morning, Harsha. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Bagunnara, Bagunnara, everyone, Manchi. Yeah, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Bagunnara, everyone, Manchi at home. Very good, very good, very good. I am also Manchi. If students are Manchi, teacher will be also Manchi, directly proportional. Always remember, student-teacher relation is directly proportional. If students are happy, teacher will be happy. If students are Manchi, teacher will be Manchi. If students are Chadda, teacher will be Chadda. Directly proportional. No problem, no problem. Yeah. So what's going on at home? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? Because today is Sunday, but on Sunday also we are having class. Yeah, okay, that is the spirit of Gosalites. Till the time you will not become doctor, we will keep on having, we'll keep on doing our hard work, no problem. Breakfast, sir? No, I don't take breakfast. I don't believe in breakfast. I believe in brunch. Breakfast plus lunch together. That is brunch. No problem. Yeah. Listening AKD sir class. Pinky sir. No problem. Sukhi bhava. No problem. No problem. Yeah. So all these things are okay. No problem. Yeah. Mr. Energy. ठीक है भाई. Buttermilk you have given to me. Chalo. No problem. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And yesterday first class of ABC completed in all subject. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah. All subject first class of ABC completed. Everything okay? Everything went good? You felt happy after first class of ABC? All the things good? Okay. And I hope every one of you, yeah, okay, बहुत बढ़िया. Very good, very good. Yeah, that is spirit. Yeah, you felt happy. I missed, sir. No problem. Yeah, those videos are again because you cannot miss it. All the things that we are going to study during this our ABC program is going to be very, very important. Everyone has told you this thing. Always remember, building appears fascinating. Building appears very good, but it will stand with time only when its foundations are good. So that's why foundation building we are doing during this our ABC program. So you have to attend the class sincerely. You have to understand the concept. You have to build your foundation. It is not for myself. It's not for us. It's not for teachers. It's for all of our students, because right now you're a student, but tomorrow in NEET 2026, many of you will become doctor also. So you must realize the importance of foundation of the things, no problem. And in track 1, which I took, I was talking about differentiation. Little bit we will talk about differentiation, integration. But in last class, we were talking about differentiation. So everyone remembered all the things that we studied yesterday? Ninna Chala things studied. Miru Gurtunda. You see my Telugu? Yeah, it's better than English. Yeah. Okay. Miru Gurtunda. Do you remember everything? So chalo, quick recap we will have, then we will move further. Today our main target is to talk about rules of differentiation. Many of you know those rules, but only knowing will not work. We will also learn with time how to apply them in different situations. So just have a quick recap. We will have a quick recap. I will ask from you. No need to write on the board. Directly I will ask, and I think you'll be able. You are energetic people just like me, so you'll be able to give answer very fast. Twarga. What is the meaning of word function? She is good. Chalo, theek hai bhai. What is the meaning of word function? Function means Punamjali saying dependency. Very good. Shrikant, very good. Vavya, very good. Seema, very good. Alexander, very good. Pujita, very good. Very good. Yeah. Word function in physics means dependency. Anywhere in any chapter, kinematics, SHM, wave, anywhere word function will come, that function should strike in your mind. They are talking about dependency, no problem. Acha, what is the meaning of rate of change of function? What is the meaning of rate of change of function? What is the meaning of rate of very good. Kaushalya, very good. How fast change is happening. How fast function is changing, that is represented by rate of change. Rate of change means how fast function is changing. When variable is changed, of course function will change. So how fast function is changing when variable is changed, that is known as rate of change of function. Bahut badhiya, very good. Everyone remember, like this you have to attend entire 1 year, you have to study like this, no problem. Yeah, next question, how many types of rate we have? How many types of rate? Don't say two, tell their name. How many types of rate we have? Two types are there, sir. Average rate, instantaneous rate. Average rate, instantaneous rate. Average rate, instantaneous rate. Average rate, instantaneous rate. बहुत बढ़िया. Pujita very good. Dikshit very good. Sandeep very good. Bhavna very good. Shiva very good. Malikarjun very good. Very good. Soumya very good. Everyone is giving answer. Acha, tell me, which rate is calculated for duration of time? Which rate is calculated for duration? For a given duration, which rate is calculated? Average. Average rate is calculated for duration. For duration of time, the rate that we talk will be average rate, no problem. Achha, for example, if anyone asks you what is the rate at a particular instant? At a particular instant, which rate is calculated? Instantaneous rate. That's why its name is instantaneous. That's why its name is instantaneous. At a particular instant when we calculate the rate, we call it as instantaneous rate. Acha, can you tell me, is there any method to calculate instantaneous rate? Is there any method in mathematics to calculate that? Kevalam Okati method, Kevalam Mottam universal Okate method to calculate instantaneous rate, and that method is differentiation. That's why we say differentiation is used to find rate of change of function. Wherever in physics rate of change will come, like velocity, rate of change of position, like acceleration, rate of change of velocity, like EMF, rate of change of magnetic flux, there we will do differentiation. No problem, no problem. So everyone here, bahut badhiya. I'm very happy everyone remembered all this thing. Miru Bagundi. Nenu also Bagundi. That's why I said directly proportional. You don't realize by future intention. Yeah, Miru Bagundi. Now, no need to say Nenu Bagundi, because directly Miru Bagundi, Nenu Bagundi. Give respect, take respect. No problem, no problem, no problem, no problem. Yeah. And before starting rules of differentiation, just one thing I will talk, one thing I will say. Acha, can you say how you will pronunciate this dy by dx? How we pronunciate this dy by dx? Which quantity we are differentiating and with respect to which quantity? Yeah. We call this as differentiation. This small d represent differentiation. So you will differentiate a function with respect to variable. So dy by dx means differentiation of y with respect to x. Here y is your function and x will be with respect. I told you in the last class also, in numerator we always get the function which we differentiate, and in denominator we get the variable with respect to what we are differentiating. For example, tomorrow you know volume of a sphere, you know 4 by 3 pi r cube. Tomorrow you know this volume of a sphere depends on radius. So volume will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. No need to write. Just we are recapping what we studied in the last class. So tomorrow if anyone asks you dv by dr, can you tell me how you will pronunciate this differentiation of what with respect to what? Differentiation of v with respect to r. dv by dr means differentiation of v with respect to Hi. Now it's coming. Blackout happened. Like in war, while India-Pakistan war was going on, blackout used to happen in many border states. Like that, blackout happened. We practiced for that. No problem. Yeah. Inside studio, everything is black and power gone. In between, power gone. So that's why blackout happened. But I think now it's okay. It's fine. Everything is coming. No problem. So we are waiting for more people to join. Kohli. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So blackout happened, and after blackout, again we are back. But no war was there. Don't worry. No problem. Yeah. So we were talking about, so let's start. Shuru kare. Shall we start again? No problem. So we were talking about dV by dr means volume is depending on radius. dV by dr means differentiation of V with respect to R. Already many of you said this value. No problem. Yeah. Just more people are joining. So this is how we have done. Okay, let them join. We will start. Yeah. So this is how we have done our recap of what we studied in the last class related with basic part of differentiation. So again, I will recall those points. Function means dependency. Rate means how fast quantity changes. Instantaneous rate is calculated with the help of differentiation. dy by dx means differentiation of y with respect to x. No problem. Yeah. Now we are going to talk about, again we are going to start, be focused, again important part we are going to start. Till now we were doing recap. Now we will talk about rules of differentiation. Till now we know meaning of differentiation, what is the use of differentiation, what is the meaning of differentiation, what is the representation of differentiation. Now we are going to talk about rules of differentiation. So in your copy, in your notes, you can write rules of differentiation. There will be some rules. Those rules we are going to talk. Rules of differentiation. Rules of differentiation. So in your notes, you can write rules of differentiation. And these rules everyone has to remember perfectly. Because tomorrow you'll be able to do differentiation, you'll be able to do or not, that will be decided by these rules. So that's why you have to remember these rules. I will keep on asking also. I'll make you remember. Don't worry about that. So you can write rules of differentiation. After writing, you can send this symbol, done sir. You can send this symbol, then we'll start with the rules. Rules of differentiation. In the last class only I said you have to make perfect notes. Done sir, bahut badhiya. Bahut badhiya, done sir. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So we are going to talk about rules of differentiation. There will be 8-9 rules. Those rules we'll study one by one. Then we will do practice problem combining with all those rules. So ek bar dekh lo, no problem. Many of you know these rules. Even if you know, you have to be 100% focused. You have to understand each and every point. So we are going to talk about rules of differentiation. So we'll start with rule number 1. Thoda dhyan dena bhai. Be focused. Again, we have started our important part. Thoda dhyan dena. Rules of differentiation. First rule that we talk. Thoda dhyan do, slowly I will go. You have to be 100% focused, then only this class will be useful, otherwise it will be useless. So ek bar dekh lo. Rule number first, the most important rule which is used in 90% of differentiation. This year question came in differentiation. Which rule was applicable there? Rule number 1. So rule number 1 is the most famous, most useful rule of entire differentiation, most easiest. So ek bar dekh lo. So rule number 1 says, if you have any function y, for example, if y is function of x, if you have any function y as y equal to x to the power n. First rule I am talking, 95% of your differentiation is done with the help of first rule. So someone came and he said, sir, what is first rule? So someone gave me, if someone is giving you y equal to x to the power n and is asking you find dy by dx. So if you have dy by dx means y value is x to the power n. Can anyone tell me what is the differentiation of x to the power n? You have studied. You are senior inter, you are long-term people. Very good. Anju, very good. Durga Mohan Rao, what you are saying? अरे भाई हाँ, वेरी गुड. वीके वेरी गुड. शिवा वेरी गुड. मोहित वेरी गुड. x to the power n. Dikshit very good. Yashwant very good. Shumalata, what is that answer? Ha, Banu, very good. So first rule says, very good. Most of the people are knowing this. This is the most. Always remember, we do mistake only in those situations which we know more. So you should not do mistake in this situation. So if you have any function y equal to x to the power n, and if anyone asks you to differentiate y, this is asking to differentiate x to the power n. So rule number 1 says differentiation of x to the power n will become n x to the power n minus 1. This is rule number 1. Differentiation of x to the power n will be n x to the power n minus 1. Bring the power down. Whatever the power you have here, that power will multiply here. And in the power will decrease by 1. Differentiation, you cannot ask me why this rule. This is the rule which you have to remember. Why this thing happened, you cannot ask me. You have to just remember it. Differentiation of x to the power n will be n x to the power n minus 1. Differentiation of x to the power n will be n x to the power n minus 1. Now someone said, sir, how to use it? How to use it? Very good. Most of the people, everyone said correct answer also, no problem. But we have to discuss in detail. So whenever, एक बार फिर से देख लो भाई, एक बार फिर से देख लो. Whenever you have any function y equal to x to the power n, if anyone asks you to differentiate x to the power n, differentiation of x to the power n will become n x to the power n minus 1. So for example, differentiation of x to the power n will be n x to the power n minus 1. For example, tomorrow someone came and he said, sir, I have y equal to x cube. Example I am talking about. Example will give you more clarity. Someone came and he said, sir, I have y equal to x cube. And he asked me, find dy by dx. Can you tell me what will be dy by dx now if y is given x cube? Very good, very good, very good, very good. You will simply say this is एक बार देख लो. Very good. It will become 3x square. Very good. Most of everyone is saying बहुत बढ़िया, very good, yeah. So first I will say, sir, this is in the form of y equal to x to the power n. X to the power n. So with differentiation of y equal to x to the power n will become n x to the power n minus 1. And what is n here? Here n. N means power. Here power is 3. So 3x to the power 3 minus 1. So this differentiation will finally become 3x to the power 3 minus 1 will give you 2. So this is the rule number 1. 90% of differentiations are done with the help of rule number 1. Y equal to x to the power n, differentiation will become nx to the power n minus 1. For example, next example you will say, come on, next example you will say, someone came and he said, sir, y is given as x to the power 10. Tell me what will be dy by dx. Jaldi bata do bhai, jaldi, twarga, samayam le do. Twarga, jaldi se. If someone says y equal to x to the power 10, again you will say this is in the form of, I will see the answer. Anju, very good. Sakret, very good. VK, very good. Kirti, very good. Nandi, very good. Vikas, Harika, Kaushalya, everyone is giving correct answer. Very good, very good. I will simply say now no need to write this directly. So this is in the form of y equal to x to the power n. And differentiation of x to the power n will become n x to the power n minus 1. What is n here? 10. N means power. So 10 nx to the power n minus 1. So 10 x to the power 10 minus 1. So this will finally become 10x to the power 10 minus 1 will become 9. So this is how we can use rule number 1. Is it okay for everyone? Can I give you 3-4 questions from rule number 1 to practice right now in the class? बोल दो भाई. Before that you tell me what is rule number, what is the differentiation of x to the power n? जल्दी से formula बताओ, rule बताओ. X to the power n differentiation will be त्वरगा. X to the power n differentiation will be n x to the power, बोलो भाई, टाइप तो करो. X to the power n differentiation will be n x to the power n minus 1, n x to the power n minus 1, n x to the power n minus 1. What is n, sir? N is the power. No problem, no problem, no problem, no problem. Very good, everyone remembered. So come on, we will do some question. 3-4 questions we'll do from rule number 1, then we'll move towards rule number 2. You write. You write. You write. For practice, we will do some question. You write. Find differentiation of the given functions. Find, question for practice we are doing. Find differentiation of the given functions with respect to x. Find differentiation of given functions with respect to x. And first one I am giving y equal to x square. Second, y equal to root x. Third, y equal to 1 by x square. These are the 3 questions you can do. Swapna, very good. Kaushalya, very good. First one answer came. Pushpa, very good. Come on, move to the second one also. Vriddhi, very good. Pravan, very good. Harshvardhan, very good. Shiva, very good. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Anju, Shrisha, Radha, Shrikant, very good. Go for the second one. Little tough. NVK also saying correct. Vikas, very good. Bhavna, move to the second one. First one completed, everyone. But second one is root. I did not told you any formula for differentiation of root. How it will happen, sir? First one, okay. First one everyone will get. Second one you may feel problem. So you did not set formula for differentiation of root. You did not set formula for differentiation of denominator. How to use them? Can anyone give me idea how to differentiate root? First one, okay, I think everyone will get. First one we will get directly, sir, dy by dx. Sir, dy by dx means, sir, it is like x to the power n. So differentiation will become n is here 2. So n, x to the power n minus 1. That will become 2x to the power. 2 minus 1 is 1. No need to write 1. So this will become 2x. Second one, who will tell? Sir, root I did not said. Root I did not said. Always, this is also one mathematical. We are not only talking about differentiation. This is also one mathematical concept you realized. Always remember y equal to root x. For root, no separate formula is there. Because root is nothing. Under root is the power. Right now it says, sir, y equal to root x. I can write this as x to the power 1 by 2. Y equal to root x. Root means power 1 by 2. Cube root means power 1 by 3. So y equal to root x is actually x to the power 1 by 2. So first you will convert this in the form of x to the power n. So y equal to root x will become x to the power 1 by 2. After this you already know. If anyone asks you dy by dx will become, sir, we know the formula x to the power n. So n x to the power n minus 1. What is n here? 1 by 2. So n x to the power n minus 1. So this will become, this is also famous differentiation which is used. So this will become finally 1 by 2 x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 will give you minus 1 by 2. And this will finally become, now this is minus, if you want you can further simplify. You can bring this in denominator. So it will become 1 by 2. This will become 1 by x to the power 1 by 2. 1 by x to the power 1 by 2 is again root x. X to the power 1 by 2 is again root x. So it will become 1 by 2 root x. How many of you got this differentiation for second one? I'm talking about, you can just say like this if you got the correct answer. I will see how many of you got correct answer for second one. Root x differentiation. Then we will move towards third one. भाई त्वरगा, मेरे पास इतना टाइम नहीं है. Kondaya got, Sunita got, Suma got, Shiva got, Anju got, come on. Ali got, Mohit got, Fazla got, Rukshita got, Daga got, Hemant, Pushpa, everyone got. बहुत बढ़िया, Suki Baba. Sandeep, Pushpa, everyone got. No problem. Vasu also got. Yeah, okay, no problem. Yeah. So, point is, whenever root comes, cube root comes, students start feeling difficulties. Sir, there is no separate rule for differentiation of cube root, under root. Kya kare? Are bhai, root means power 1 by 2. First convert it in the form of x to the power n. Power 1 by 2, then you can apply the formula. Third one, who will tell? Third one, come on, third one. Third one is y is function of x, but x is not present in numerator. It is present in denominator. Very good, very good. That means again, sir, you cannot apply that. What happens many times, what student do, here when dy by dx is asked, they do like this. Dy by dx will become 1 by, sir, x square differentiation, this will become nx to the power n minus 1. So it becomes 2x to the power 2 minus 1. And they write this finally as 1 by 2 x to the power 1, which is wrong. There is no formula for differentiation of denominator. This is wrong. Anyone did like this? We have observed in main class people do like this. So this will be your wrong method. What will be correct method? First convert in the form of x to the power n. So first you will write this y equal to x to the power minus 2. You can bring this in numerator, power will become. Now this is in the form of x to the power n. So dy by dx will become n x to the power n minus 1. So this will ultimately become minus 2 x to the power. Minus 2 minus 1 will become minus 3. So this will become minus 2. If you want, you can bring this down, x cube. So this is the final correct answer. How many of you got this answer? How many of you got this answer? Very good. VK got, Ali got, Pushpa got, Harshri got, Sumit Chandra got, Rajesh got, Reddy got, everyone got. No problem, no problem, no problem. I'm giving you time of 1 minute, not 1 minute. I'm giving you time of 2 seconds. Again, see rule number 1. Again, all these rules will come. No problem, Shushmita. Now you can get. You can see rule number 1. We'll move towards rule number 2 by. Rule number 2, we will move. We'll start with rule number 2. If you are confident in rule number 1, you can send like this. Done, sir. बहुत बढ़िया. Chalo, we'll start with rule number 2. No problem. So I feel everyone will get, but still I'm not getting confidence that everyone got or not. Two more questions for practice. I will not do on the board. You will do and you will tell me the answer. You will do and you will tell me the answer. Rule number 1, again 2 questions. Last 2 questions we'll do. Then I'm not getting 100% confident. During offline class, we can see the notes, we can see your copy and we can get the confidence. But right now I'm not getting because online I cannot see your copy. So that's why you will tell me that I will not do. You will only do and you will tell the answer. You will write the answer. So 2 more questions we'll do. Example number 4, example number 5. Example number 4 is y equal to 1 by x cube. And you have to tell me dy by dx. And example number 5 is y equal to 1 by root x. These are the 2 situations you have to tell dy by dx. Take your time. I'm not in hurry. My name is not Harry. I'm not in hurry. You see, Shiva has got wrong answer. Shiva power will become -4. Kaushalya, you are saying -5 power, wrong. Harsha is saying correct. Harsha is saying correct. Kiranmai correct. Malikajan Said correct. Shrikant correct. Very good, very good. Yeah. So most of the people are getting. Who is this Sand Gaming? अबे पागल हो गया क्या? चलो बहुत बढ़िया फर्स्ट वन फोर्थ वन डन एवरीवन गॉट फैजल अकरम वेरी गुड अंजू वेरी गुड सेकंड फिफ्थ वन यू कैन ट्राई कम ऑन लिटिल मोर टफ फिफ्थ वन आल्सो అయిపోయింది very good okay very good so I will just yeah I think everyone got no problem yeah so I think everyone will get directly first thing in yeah. Okay, बहुत बढ़िया. Everyone has got the answer. I will also do once you can match whether you got both of these correct or not. And these are tough differentiation which are used. So from here I can say first thing you cannot differentiate this directly. First you have to convert in the form of x to the power n. So you can write y equal to x to the power -3 because 1 by x cube. It will go in numerator. It will become x to the power -3. Now you will say now this is in the form of x to the power n. Now you will find dy by dx. So it will become n x to the power n minus 1. What is n? That is -3 x to the power -3 minus 1. So this will become -3 x to the power -4 and this will become -3. You can bring this denominator x to the power 4. So I think everyone got no problem. Now I'm getting confidence after seeing your answer. Question number 5. Again, you cannot differentiate it directly. First, you will write this as y equal to 1 by x to the power 1 by 2. Then you will bring this in numerator. X to the power -1 by 2. Now you will differentiate. Now you will find dy by dx. It will become n x to the power n minus 1. So -1 by 2 x to the power -1 by 2 minus 1. This will become finally -1 by 2 x to the power -3 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 will give you -3 by 2. So this will become -1 by 2. You can bring this in numerator into 1 by x to the power 3 by 2. How many of you got all these fourth and fifth correct? How many of you got this correct? Then only I can move to the rule number 2. Bhai, kya karu? This is my problem. Still you will not get confidence. I cannot move further. Surita got, VK got, Pushpa got, Dadi got, Vrinda got, Mohit got, Ruchi. Very good. Everyone has got the answer. Come on. We'll move towards rule number 2. Rule number 1. I point the x to the power n differentiation will be n x to the power n minus 1. n x to the power n minus 1. Fifth one बेटा कैसे कर रहे हो भाई? कोंडया 1 by root x means x to the power 1 by 2. उसको न्यूमरेटर में लेके आओ भाई, फोकस करो, then only you will be able to understand. Let's move to the rule number 2. एक बार देख लो. Please be focused now again थोड़ा ध्यान दो. Be focused. Yeah. Rule number 2 is the easiest rule. It is the easiest and favorite rule of all the students. एक बार देख लो. For example, yeah, many people are saying the rule number 2. एक बार देख लो. Rule number 2 says, if you have y which is a constant number, let's represent that constant by c. Rule number 2 says, if you have any function y which is a constant we represent by c. And if someone asks you to differentiate this y with respect to x, or differentiate, what is y here? Y is constant. Differentiate this constant c with respect to x. Can you tell me what is the differentiation of constant? What is the difference? Very good. Everyone knows, sir, if you have a constant, its differentiation will be 0. Differentiation of constant will be 0. Because someone says, sir, why it is coming 0 right now? because differentiation means rate of change of function, rate of change. If any quantity is constant, what will be its change? Sunna. So that's why differentiation of constant. Whenever you have only constant, someone asks you to differentiate the constant, differentiation of constant will always come a 0. So this is how we have. For example, we'll just talk one example. Someone says, sir, if I have y equal to 10, and if anyone asks you find dy by dx, again 10 is a constant, differentiation of constant will be 0. Someone said, sir, if I have y equal to 5, what will be its differentiation? Again 5 is constant, its differentiation will be 0. This is the rule number 2. Here no question required for practice. Only one thing you have to keep in your mind, differentiation of constant will be always 0. Differentiation of constant will be 0. That's it. Is it okay, rule number 2? Any question required for practice of rule number 2? You are ready to give answer now. Question will be here. You will be ready to give 0, 0, 0. Not required. Whenever you have constant, differentiation of constant will be 0. Because constant means sthiram. Constant in Telugu is sthiram. Sthiram means change ledu. Change ledu means rate of change ledu. That's why differentiation of constant will be always 0. Always 0. So this is our rule number 2. We will use this later on. No problem. Yeah. Now we'll move towards rule number 3. I'm giving you time of 2 seconds. See rule number 1 and rule number 2 both. Then we will move towards rule number 3. Rule number 1 and rule number 2 एक बार देख लो. We are not in hurry. We have to develop understanding. If it is okay, you can say done, sir. We'll move towards rule number 3. Chalo, everyone is ready for rule number 3. Again, rule number 1, differentiation of x to the power n is nx to the power n minus 1. Rule number 2, differentiation of constant will be 0. Now, dhyan do. Okay. Now, no one will give the answer. We'll move towards rule number 3. Here, student get confused. That's why extra alertness is required. Chala important. Thoda dhyan do. Be focused. Rule number 3, little tricky. You will do mistake tomorrow. तो थोड़ा चुप रहो. ध्यान दो यहाँ पे. ध्यान दो. Okay. Rule number 3. थोड़ा ध्यान दो. It's not time to ask about how many notes copy we have to make. पहले देख लो एक बार. At the end we will talk about those doubt. एक बार देख लो. Rule number 3 says, for example, someone gave you one function y equal to c into x to the power n. You can see here. What is c here? Constant. What is c here? Constant. थोड़ा ध्यान देना rule number 3. Otherwise you'll get confused and you'll start messaging me, sir, I did not understood. तो एक बार देख ले यहाँ पे. एक बार देख ले. Someone came and he said, sir, I am giving you one function y equal to cx to the power n. What is c here? Constant, which is multiplied with x to the power n. And he asked me to differentiate. He asked me find dy by dx. He asked me to differentiate y with respect to x. He gave me one function y equal to cx to the power n. Here constant is present, but constant is multiplied with the function. Constant is multiplied with x to the power n. So if you have y equal to cx to the power n, and if anyone asks you to differentiate, in place of y, we will put cx to the power n dx. Now always remember, now rule come. थोड़ा ध्यान दे, focus कर. डॉक्टर बनना है तुझे पता होना चाहिए रूल. थोड़ा ध्यान दे. Always remember, whenever constant is multiplied with, here c is constant, x to the power n is function. So rule number 3 says, whenever constant is multiplied with the function, and when you differentiate it, constant will not participate, will not participate in differentiation. Constant will not participate in differentiation. Will not participate in differentiation. That means constant will come out of differentiation. You don't have to touch the constant. Constant will not participate. So constant will come out of differentiation, and ultimately what will be left here? X to the power n. So x to the power n will be differentiated, and x to the power n differentiation you already know, n x to the power n minus 1. So this is the differentiation whenever constant is multiplied with the variable. So c n x to the power n minus 1. एक बार देख लो भाई, एक बार देख लो, फिर से मैं बताऊंगा. I know many of you will not get clarity, those who are seeing for the first time. Yeah. And we'll do practice of this part. This is important part. This is also used in many places. Everyone understood? Anyone is there? Huh? You see Hemant Kumar Yadav is saying explain once, sir. Because Hemant, you are not focused. अरे अब मेडिकल कॉलेज के लिए प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो, फोकस इज रिक्वायर्ड भाई. तो थोड़ा ध्यान दे, एक बार फिर से मैं बताऊंगा, एक बार फिर से. अगेन आई विल गिव एग्जांपल, देन इट विल बिकम क्लियर. इट विल बिकम क्लियर. थोड़ा ध्यान दे, ध्यान दे, ध्यान दे, ध्यान दे. बी फोकस्ड यार. ओके डन सर, नो प्रॉब्लम यार. What rule number 3 is saying? Rule number 3 is saying whenever you have any constant multiplied with the function, you have here C. If constant is present alone, if constant is present alone, its differentiation will be 0. But right now constant is present, but constant is present in multiplication with the variable. So whenever constant is present in multiplication with the variable, constant will not participate in differentiation. Constant will come out of differentiation. Ultimately, you have to differentiate the variable. X to the power n differentiation, you already know. N x to the power n minus 1. Means what I am trying to tell, if anyone is having doubt, ek baar dekh lo, then I will give you questions to practice. Don't worry, that is our main intention. But I want everyone to understand the rule number 3, because again, most important rule which will be used everywhere in physics. Ek baar dekh. For example, one example I will do. For example, someone came and he said, sir, I have y equal to 10x cube. Someone came and he said, sir, I have y equal to half. Okay, no problem, half. If I have y equal to 10x cube, and if someone asks me find dy by dx, first thing, ek bar dekho. 10 is, if you see a 10 is constant which is multiplied with x cube. X cube is the variable, but 10 is constant now. So this rule says whenever you have constant multiplied with the variable, when you differentiate this y, means you are differentiating 10x cube, 10 will not participate. 10 will come out of differentiation. So 10 will remain as it is. Who will be ultimately differentiated? X cube. And x cube differentiation you already know. N x to the power n minus 1. So this will ultimately become 30, 10 into 3, 30 x square. Many of you given this answer. Is it okay for everyone? सबके लिए समझ में आया भाई? नहीं समझ में आया तो मैं एक और एग्जांपल दूंगा. इट्स जस्ट लाइक, एक बार देखो, ध्यान दो. Okay, everyone understood, no problem. I am not getting confidence, that's why I am saying, because I know you will feel a struggle in this. Once this will be used, you will feel a struggle, that's why. एक बार ध्यान दो. Rule number 3 is also known as rule of respect. ध्यान दे. Rule number 3. Actually, common name. In chemistry, you have two types of name now. IUPAC name, common name. Common name for rule number 3 is rule of respect. Whenever constant will be multiplied, you have to give respect to the constant. Means you have to not touch the constant. Respect means what, bhai? Respect means, you have seen Virat Kohli playing now. Does every ball comes and Virat Kohli hit it? And sometimes when good delivery come, he leave also now. In cricket, arey bhai, it's not like all ball coming, hitting, no. When some good ball will come, they will respect the ball. They will leave the ball. That is rule number 3. Rule of respect. Give respect, take respect. Rule of respect. Whenever constant is multiplied, give respect to the constant. Leave the constant. You will not touch. You see 10 I have not touched. Whom you have differentiated? X cube. So whenever constant is multiplied with the variable, we will give respect to the constant. We will not touch the constant. Constant will remain as it is. Variable will be differentiated. Done. Finally, I'm asking, bhai. I'm waiting for the question. Come on. Finally. Done, sir. Chalo, come on. You can write some question. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. And you have to tell me all answers together. 3 questions I will give you, all 3 ones. It's not like first you will tell me the answer. No, all 3 solve, then tell me the answer. All will be easy only because we are just doing basic. All 3 you can first solve, then you can tell me the answer. Don't get worried. In question number 2, y equal to pi. Pi क्या है sir? क्या pi? क्या लेकर आई और क्या pi? Pi is a constant. Its differentiation will be 0. 2 is the easiest one. All 3 you can complete. Dhanashri, Dasma, Gari, Ruchita, you can complete all 3. Vicky, very good. First one done, all 3 you can complete. Anju, what answer you have said? First one correct, second one correct, third one I am not understanding what you have written. Dikshit has given. All those who will give all answers, those name only I will say. Dikshit has given all answers correct. Very good, Dikshit. Malikarjun first only given. Shirisha only first given. Arey bhai, first one to आसान था भाई. Second, third भी बताओ भाई. Pushpa has given. Very good. Shaisri, all 3 very good. बहुत बढ़िया, going good. Nandi, Maha, very good. Come on, Shiva, very good. Shiva third. Hey Bhagwan. Sandeep, very good. Anju, yeah. Now correct. Yeah. Okay, very good. Kavya, very good. Lavanya, very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Shaumya, very good. Everyone is getting. Yeah. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Pushpa, very good. Swapna Reddy, गलत है भाई, गलत है. Power will become -11. Vicky, very good. So I think everyone will get. Everyone will get. No problem, no problem, no problem, no problem. Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Malikarjun, all correct. बहुत बढ़िया. So I think everyone will get. Let's talk. Let's talk. I will just see. And then I will ask you how many of you got all correct. एक बार देख लो, एक बार देख लो, एक बार देख लो. No problem, no problem, no problem. एक बार देख लो भाई, एक बार देख लो. हाँ, everyone has given correct answer. Question हाँ. Very good, Akanksha. No need to write that much. Directly you can write in short. Otherwise your answers are correct. Third one you can check. So let's talk about question number 1. Sir, you want dy by dx? I will do dy by dx. And I know 3x to the power 4. 3 is a constant multiplied with variable. 3 is a I told you, whenever constant is multiplied with the variable, constant will not participate. Give respect by respect karo. 3 will not. 3 is a constant which is multiplied with variable x to the power 4. So when you differentiate, don't touch 3. 3 is constant. Give respect to 3. 3 will remain as it is. Differentiate x to the power 4. You already know n x to the power n minus 1. This will become 3 into 4, 12 x to the power 3 by 4 minus 1 will become 3. So this is the answer which everyone said. Question number 2. Pi means constant. 3.14 or 22 by 7. And you already know when only constant is there, What is differentiation of constant? Differentiation of constant will be 0. So second one will come 0. Third one, who will give me idea? I don't want answer. Idea de do what I should do in third one. Idea de do. Idea ka sim nahi, idea. I will simply say, sir, what is again? Just now you told, sir, this way. Sir, there is no method to differentiate denominator. So we have to bring this in numerator. First, I can write this directly. You cannot. No one in this universe can differentiate this directly. यहाँ से differentiate नहीं कर सकते हो. There is no rule for. I have seen students doing this mistake. They directly said 10 will remain as it is. X to the power 10 differentiation will become 10x to the power 9. Wrong. You cannot do it like this. First bring in numerator. So this will become 10x to the power minus 10. Now you are going to differentiate. 10 is constant multiplied with the variable. So you already know whenever constant is multiplied, 10 will remain as it is. X to the power n differentiation, you already know, nx to the power n minus 1. So minus 10 x to the power minus 10 minus 1. So this will become minus 10 into minus 10 will become minus 100 x to the power. Minus 10 minus 1 will become minus 11. If you want, you can write this also as minus 100 by, you can bring this in numerator, x to the power 11. How many of you got all three correct? Come on, Twarga. Anju got, Mohit got, Malikarjun got, Shri Devi got, Dikshit got, Sai got, Tactical Titan got. Wow, what a name. Jai Krishna got, Suma Lata got. Everyone got. बहुत बढ़िया. Everyone is saying all three answers are correct. No problem, no problem, no problem. I'm giving you time of 2 seconds. All three. बहुत बढ़िया. You are doing good. Keep like this for coming entire 11 months. Then you'll go to medical college, then chill. Life is all about chilling, but for some people it takes more time. We should keep on doing our hard work, no problem. Yeah, I'm giving you time of 2 seconds. See rule number 1, rule number 2, rule number 3. Then we'll talk about rule number 4. 1, 2, 3 you can see. Then we'll talk about rule number 4. Once completed, you can say done, sir. Mothi Shudha. Very good, Mothi Shudha. Done, sir. बहुत बढ़िया. So we'll start with rule number 4. Rule number 4. Rule number 4. एक बार देखो. Rule number 4 is not any rule. It's a technique. ध्यान दे. No problem. I will give you one simple example. See rule number 4. Rule number 4. Yeah. Okay. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Sometimes what happen? Sometimes, now ध्यान दो थोड़ा. You are long-term people. You have already done senior inter. थोड़ा ध्यान दो. Sometimes when differentiation comes now, in physics in different chapters, when differentiation comes now, only one function is not present. It's not like that only y equal to x cube is present. You'll have y equal to x cube plus x square plus 5. ध्यान दो. When actually differentiation comes in many places in physics, only one function is not present. You will have addition of 2-3 function. For example, what I am trying to tell, for example, someone came and he said, I have a function y. I have y, sir, which is addition or subtraction of many function. I'm taking u, v and w. Tomorrow you can have x, y, z also. No problem. Yeah. Someone came and he said, sir, I have a function y, which is addition or subtraction of many other function, like y equal to x square plus 5x plus 4. You see, x square is one function, 5x is another function, 4 is another function. In that sense, this is also known as rule of addition or subtraction. We call this as rule of addition or subtraction. So एक बार देख लो. No problem. Yeah. Someone came and he said, sir, I have many functions. I have one function y, which is sum or addition or subtraction of u, v and w. and he asked me to differentiate dy by dx. dy by dx. Now what we will do? U is also one function, v is also function, w is also one for dhyan de. In party, wherever you go, you have biryani also. You have biryani also. In dessert, you have ice cream also. In starter, in starter you have paneer also. Is it like that? Paneer also there, biryani also there, ice cream also there. Is it like that when anyone asks you to eat? Is it like that in the plate you take paneer, biryani, ice cream, all you mix together and you eat? Is it like that? Is it like that? Ek baar bata do. You went in the party, in starter you have soup, for example. Soup in the starter, biryani in the main course, ice cream in the dessert. Is it like that? You take the plate. Kahan hai khana? Plate isme do, biryani do, ice cream do, soup do, sabko mila ke. One by one. You eat starter, you eat biryani, then at the end you eat ice cream. Same thing happened here. You also there, we also there, w also there. Someone asked me to differentiate. I cannot differentiate all at once. Okati time law, Okati differentiation. First I will differentiate u with respect to x. If plus, I will put plus. If minus, I will put minus. Then I will differentiate v with respect to x plus minus. Yeah. Then I will differentiate w with respect to x. This is known as 1 by 1 differentiation. Okate time law, Okate differentiation. You cannot, Kavya is saying testy. It will testy. It will be testy. Very good. You can try next time. So 1 by 1 differentiation we have to do. You can write rule number 4. Come on. Then we'll practice some question from rule number 4. I am also thinking someday to try. Same thing you can do for for dressing ourselves. So don't try like that. It will okay. It will be after that you'll get vomiting. So better 1 by 1. U also there, V also there, W also. I cannot differentiate 1 by 1. I cannot differentiate all at once. So 1 by 1 differentiation we will do. No problem. First I will differentiate U. If plus is there, I will put plus. If minus is there, I will do minus. Yeah. ठीक है सत्यनारायण उतना डिटेल में मत जा भाई. हाँ. So du, first we'll differentiate u, then we'll differentiate v, then we will differentiate w. 1 by 1 differentiation. People are asking for example. एक बार देख ले. One example I will do. Then I will give some question for you to practice. तो एक बार देख ले. No problem. Yeah. For example, 1 by 1 differentiation we have to do. एक example देख लो भाई. For example, someone came and he said, sir, I have a function y equal to x cube plus x square plus 10. And he asked me find dy by dx. Come on, you can tell me the answer. Torga. NVK has said correct answer. You can see x square also one function, x cube also one function, 10 also one function. We cannot differentiate all at once. 1 by 1. First we'll differentiate x cube. Very good. Everyone is saying correct answer. You got the idea. My point is to give you idea. What is the concept you understood? That's why everyone is getting correct answer. I will simply say I cannot differentiate x cube, x square, 10 all at once. 1 by 1. First I will differentiate x cube. X cube differentiation will become, sir, n x to the power, because it is in the form of x to the power n. So n is 3. So 3x to the power 3 minus 1. This will become 2x to the power 2 minus 1. 10 is a constant. Constant differentiation we know 0. So it will be 0. It will finally become 3x square plus 2x. Very good. So 1 by 1 differentiation. This is the meaning of 1 by 1 differentiation. Okate time law, Okate function differentiate chandi. Answer vastundi. Can I give you some question for you to practice? Come on. Can I give you 3-4 questions for you to practice? Before that, I want all the 4 rules everyone to remember. Come on, I will take, yeah, you can see all the 4 rules. Then I will ask question, then only I can go with examples. Come on, some questions I will give you before that. Tell me what is, yeah. Okay, you have to tell me the answer. All 4 rules we will revise at once. First, you tell me what is differentiation of x to the power n. First rule number 1, what is differentiation of x to the power n? X to the power n differentiation, come on, Twarga, x to the power n differentiation, n x to the power n minus 1, n x to the power n minus 1, x to the power n differentiation, n x to the power n minus 1. Rule number 1 सबको याद रखना है. What is differentiation of constant? If constant is there, what is the differentiation of constant? Constant differentiation, Twarga. Constant differentiation, sunna, 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 sunna. You tell me if constant is multiplied with the function, then what will happen to the constant during differentiation? If any constant is multiplied with the function, c x to the power n differentiation, c will remain as it is, will give respect to the constant, constant will not participate. C constant will not touch, remaining we will differentiate, so it will become c n x to the power n minus 1. That's why it is known as rule of respect. You tell me if many functions are given, u also given, v also given, w also given, how you will differentiate those functions? Respect to one by one. Okati time mottam differentiation possibility ledu sir. Okate time lo okate differentiation. Come on, let's do some question. You right? Find dy by dx. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Everyone remember all the formula. Find dy by dx. I will give you some questions, some tough questions also I will try to include. Find dy by dx. Yeah, okay, no problem. Y is given as three questions I will give. And randomly I'm not giving, I'm giving thinking it will be used in physics tomorrow. Take your time. Very good. Dikshit very good. Shreyika very good. Kirti very good. Jilani very good. Venkat very good. VK very good. First one everyone has got the answer. बहुत बढ़िया. It is coming 12x cube plus 12x square. I think everyone will get in question number 1. I don't need more time. Everyone will get. Come on. This will become 3 is the constant multiplied. 3 will not participate. X to the power 4 differentiation will become 4x to the power 4 minus 1. That is 3. Now you can reduce your steps also. Again 4 constant multiplied will not participate. 4 will remain as it is. X cube differentiation will become 3x to the power 3 minus 1. That is 2. 12 constant alone differentiation 0. So that's why first one answer will become 12x cube plus 12x square. Very good. Everyone has said this answer. I am waiting for second one. Third one will not come. Vicky 0. Third one, Pawan has given answer. Okay, Pawan, very good. Seems to be correct. I have to see answer third one little. Second one, Dikshit has given answer. Very good. Sridevi has given. Srikant has given. Anju has given. Anjana 10. Ha, very good. For third one answer is 10. Very good. Kavya has given answer. All 3 answers given. Very good. Faisal has given. Fazla, Rama Devi, very good. Kirti, very good. Radha, Gopi, 10. Acha, third one you are saying 10. Okay, very good. Seema, third one 10. Chalo, chalo, no problem. Pushplata, third one 10. I think everyone got. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. एक बार देख लो, एक बार देख लो, एक बार देख लो, एक बार देख लो. No problem, no problem. हाँ. चलो, चलो, no problem. Then yeah, okay. हाँ. Everyone is getting, no problem. So question number 2. Again, dy by dx they are asking. Again, एक बार देख लो भाई. Then I will ask you at the end. how many of you have got all correct? Because it's very tough for me to see, but everyone is getting correct. Shiva Sankari, very good. You have said all the answer. बहुत बढ़िया. Sumalata, very good. एक बार देख लो हाँ. dy by dx, already you know how to differentiate. We cannot differentiate all at once. One by one. I will ask how many of you got all correct at the end. एक बार देख लो. So first I will say, sir, I can write this as, first thing, you cannot differentiate it directly. So first you'll write y as root x means x to the power 1 by 2 plus 2x square. Now you will find dy by dx. From here we will calculate dy by dx. Again 1 by 1. 1 by 1. So first we will differentiate x to the power 1 by 2. So it will become n x to the power n minus 1. And this will become, constant is in multiplication. 2 will not participate. X square differentiation will become nx to the power 2 minus 1, that is 1. So this will finally become 1 by 2, x to the power minus 1 by 2, and this will become 4x. This will finally become 1 by 2 root x plus 4x. Already we have done this differentiation. That's why I have not given more time. So this is the answer for second one. For third one, एक बार देख ले भाई, एक बार देख ले, एक बार देख ले, एक बार देख ले. Third one, people feel problem here. People feel problem. I will simply say, sir, you want differentiation of y. Again, dy by dx. Always remember 10x given. 10x, थोड़ा ध्यान दे. थोड़ा ध्यान दे, एक बार देख ले. It is given 10x plus 4. 10x plus 4 means 10x. X means x to the power 1. Now you differentiate. 10 will not participate, sir. X to the power 1 differentiation will become n x to the power n minus 1. 4 constant differentiation will be 0. This will become 10 into 1, 10. X to the power 0 plus 0. X to the power 0. Any number power 0 is 1. So it will become 10 into 1 plus 0. That is 10 plus 0. Your answer will come 10. How many of you got all 3 correct? बहुत बढ़िया, very good. All 3 correct. How many of you got? जल्दी से बताओ भाई. Satya got, Reddy got, Sai Srikant got, Sai Sri got, Shirisha got, Anju got, Sridev, Pushpalata, Anu, Sushmita, Radha, Pushpa. Okay, Sukhi Baba. Everyone got the correct answer. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. Very Harshvardhan got, Yadav got. Yeah, okay, very good. No problem. Yeah. Shall we move further towards the laws? Okay, no problem. Yeah. Shall we move further towards rule number 5, 6, 7, 8 at once? This will be formula directly which you have to remember. So 4 rules completed. Now we'll move towards rule number. एक बार देख ले भाई. Rule number 5, 6, 7, 8. These 4 rules we will study directly because these are simply values which you have to remember. तो एक बार देख ले यार. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So rule number 5. हाँ, no problem. Rule number 5. ध्यान दे. Till now we study differentiation of algebraic function. X square, x cube, x to the power 10, 5, 6. These are algebra. Now we'll talk about some trigonometric ratio. If somewhere I am solving, if I got sin x, then what will be differentiation of sin x? If I got cos x, what will be differentiation of cos x? So एक बार देख ले. Rule number 5 says, if you have y equal to sin x, and if anyone asks you to differentiate sin x, what will be differentiation of sin x? You already know the answer. Many people already know. What is differentiation of sin x? Sin x differentiation will come cos x. You have to remember rule number 5, 6, 7, 8. Directly, blindly you have to remember. Sin x whenever comes, its differentiation will be cos x. Now rule number 6. If I have y equal to cos x, and if anyone asks me to differentiate this cos x, then differentiation of cos x will come minus sin x. You have to be careful. Sin x differentiation is cos x, But cos x differentiation is not sin x. Cos x differentiation will be minus sin x. Sin x differentiation will be cos x. Cos x differentiation will be minus sin x. Next one, which is sometimes right now, this year paper was little tough. So one more differentiation you can know now. Differentiation of tan x. These are the three basic trigonometric ratios. Tan x differentiation will become. Can you tell me what is the differentiation of tan x? जल्दी बता दो भाई. Tan x का differentiation क्या आएगा? क्या आएगा भाई? त्वरगा चेपो. हाँ, tan x differentiation will become sec square x. Till now, it is never used in your NEET. But seeing this year paper, they gave like that. So again, they can ask. They can ask question where it will be used. Never came. Till now, never came. Sec square x. No problem. Yeah. Eighth one. If you have y equal to e to the power x, dy by dx will come. Dy by dx will come. Means differentiation of e to the power x will remain as e to the power x. Just like Mahesh Babu. In Mahesh Babu, if you see movie of Mahesh Babu, whatever the situation come, his facial expression, just like Mahendra, just like MSD, whatever the situation, he remains like that. So same is your e to the power x. Mahesh Babu, if you see fighting scene also going on, same facial expression on the face. Some song going on, same face. Dhoni, tough situation, same face. When meaning also same face. Like that only we have e to the power x. I will tell you what is the meaning of e. E to the power x, no change. No change. Whatever the situation. This will happen in differentiation also. In differentiation also, e to the power x differentiation, e to the power x. Integration also, it will remain same. So e to the power x differentiation will be e to the power x. Next, if you have y equal to log x, and if anyone asks you to differentiate log x, then differentiation of log x will be, anyone can tell what is the differentiation of log x? I forget. What is the formula for differentiation of log x? Log x differentiation is 1 by x. First, you can write all these formulas, all these rules you can write, then again I will talk one by one. 1 by x. Once you can write, yeah, एक बार लिख लो. Many formulas we have done at once. चलो एक बार रिवाइज करते हैं. Okay, time is there. First we'll revise. Tomorrow we'll do questions from here. Before that. ध्यान दो. थोड़ा फोकस करो भाई. फोकस करो. No problem. ध्यान दो. Up to rule number 4, we talk about differentiation of algebraic function. After that, we talk about differentiation of other functions that comes in physics. First function comes is trigonometric function. Trigonometry means sine, cos and tan. So that's why you must know differentiation of sine x, cos x and tan x. Sine x differentiation cos x differentiation minus sine x. Tan x differentiation sec square x. But tan x never came. Then next one is e to the power x. E to the power x differentiation will remain as e to the power x. Just like, can you give example of any person who behaves like e to the power x? Can you give differentiation of e to the power x will be again e to the power x. Integration will be also same. Nothing, no change happened to e to the power x. Whatever the, whether you differentiate, still it will remain e to the power x. Even if you integrate, it will remain as e to the power x. Mahesh Babu, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, they do not change. AKD, I change by. At one time I give so many expressions. Yeah. Okay. So e to the power x, whether you differentiate or integrate, e to the power x will remain as e to the power x. Now some of you, yeah. Okay. Now some of you were asking, Sir, what is e to the, what is e? What is e? What is e to the power x? For knowing what is e to the power x, what is e? E is for elephant. बचपन में पढ़ा होगा ना, elephant to the power x. Yeah, ध्यान दे. Always remember e to the power x. Here e is known as exponential. Exponential, yeah, exponential. The way we teach to the students, A for apple, B for ball, E for eye or E for elephant. In physics, we talk E for exponential. Small e represent exponential. Now someone says, sir, what is exponential? The way pi is a number. What is pi? It's a number. 3.14. In the similar manner, E is exponential and E is a number whose value is around 2.7. This is nothing. This is just like pi. The way you have pi equal to, and this symbol you call pi now. This symbol in physics we call exponential. This symbol in physics pi is 3.14. This symbol in physics is around 2.7. 2.66, we write approximately 2.7. Log x differentiation, log, I think everyone knows, log x differentiation will be 1 by x. Is it okay? All the things clear from these 5 rules? Can I ask from you? 2.7. So E is a number. Next time, wherever you meet any child, don't say E for elephant. Make him technically strong, bhai. Tell to him E for exponential. Chalo, no problem, no problem. So come on. Before moving further, I will just we'll do question from here tomorrow. Before that, okay. The example we'll do tomorrow in the next class. No problem. Before that, come on, I will see whether everyone remembered or not. I will ask all these rules. Come on, tell me, what is differentiation of sin x? Twarga, sin x differentiation. Twarga, bhai, fastest finger first is going. Twarga, sin x differentiation. Sin x differentiation, cos x. Sin x differentiation, cos x. Cos x differentiation. Sin x differentiation, cos. Cos x differentiation. Cos x differentiation, jaldi bolo. Minus sin x. Trick is there. इसको याद रखोगे. Sin x differentiation is cos x. But cos x differentiation is not sin x. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Minus sin x. Tan x differentiation. Tan x differentiation, come on. Tan x differentiation, sec square x, which is not generally used. No problem. Sec square x, no problem. E to the power x differentiation, come on, final. E to the power x differentiation. E to the power x differentiation. You are saying e to the power x only. I am asking what is differentiation of e to the power x. Answer also they are saying e to the power x. And I am asking e to the power x differentiation. You are also same. This is the only function in entire physics which is not affected by differentiation or integration. E to the power x differentiation also, e to the power x, e to the power x integration also. E to the power, parvaledu, most chilled person, e to the power x. Differentiate karo, then also e to the power x. Integrate karo, then also e to the power x. No change. Like MSD. Chalo, no problem. Log x differentiation. Very good. Chalo, ठीक है भाई, ठीक है. Log x differentiation 1 by x. No problem. Yeah. Okay. Very good. No problem. Yeah. So this is how we have completed not all rules. Few more rules are there which we'll do in the next. E value. What is E? What is the value of E? My good name, Akhilesh Kumar Dubey, bhai, you can see in the thumbnail. Okay, people are saying E is exponential whose value, the way pi is 3.14, E is exponential whose value is 2.7. बहुत बढ़िया, slowly basic things we are covering, no problem. Yeah. So in next class we will start with questions from these rules. 3-4 more rules are there which we'll do in the next class, and then we'll do some questions from here in our next class. For today we have completed all the rules. We'll start from here in the next class. Is it okay? And you can see some places, some material will be there. You can try differentiation now. Differentiation we have already done. Most of the things already done. You can try. People are asking which team you support in IPL. I support Kohli. That's it. Which team, whatever he will be, I support him. Chalo, no problem. Okay. Any other doubts? Key will be released very soon. We are also, I already talked to yesterday to the director of NTA. He said, AKD, I'm taking some time. We are just making all the things. That's why, yeah, it will take time, but today or tomorrow it will be released. Don't worry. Surety, I talked already. Yeah, sometimes we have to joke also. Yeah. Okay, no problem. Pi differentiation is also zero, bhai. Pi's differentiation is also zero. It's a constant. You can talk with the CM. Don't have this power. This power is only with the either Modi. I have to talk. He's busy right now. That's why I'm not disturbing. Otherwise, he's good friend of me. Chalo, no problem. Yeah. Okay. So, point is, if you have some material, because most of you are from long term, senior, inter, you can, from that any material you have, you can try some differentiation and differentiation, not integration, because all the rules covered. You can try by yourself. Tomorrow we'll try in the class also. So this is how we will talk about. In boys LT, Amit sir will come. Same as me, A for AKD, A for Amit. So don't worry about that. Yeah, okay, no problem. You are from junior inter, Suki Boy, start studying. So this is how we have talked about. Next situation, more situations we will talk in the next class. Start studying slowly. Tata, bye-bye, hi to everyone. Come on, work hard. Those who are on the border, don't wait more time. If the feeling is there, some people know feeling is there. Kuch bhi sir life mein ho, koi baat nahi sir. If feeling is not there for becoming doctor, choose wisely another branch where you want to go. But those who are on the border and their mind one thing goes, that I want doctor word before my name. Please don't wait. Wait mat karo. Those feeling not there, परवा ले लो. Sir, मैं कुछ भी कर लूंगा life में. You can be successful even without becoming doctor. But if you feel I want only to become doctor, परवा ले दो. One more year, परवा ले दो. Work hard. If that feeling is there, start working from. Don't wait. Every day passing is decreasing your number of days for preparation. So start preparing for now only. From now only start studying slowly. पढ़ाई करना start करो. At least bio तो पढ़ सकते हो. We are having ABC class. That also you can do. Don't wait for. If you want only to be doctor, don't wait more. Start studying. More situation we will talk in the next class. Tata, bye bye. You can find Nike, you can find some lessons somewhere in the some material, and you can practice the question. Tata, bye bye. Take care. Come on.